Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find the Voyager in Space Simulator Roblox Easy Guide. Start by spawning at a safe port and opening your map immediately. Look for a distant icon, labeled Voyager, or a unique ship silhouette near asteroid belts. Use thrusters sparingly to conserve fuel and approach from the dark side to avoid heavy NPC patrols. Keep an eye on mission beacons and communicate with teammates when possible. Begin by checking your map and radar for any labeled ships or unusual signals. Zoom out to identify clusters of activity and scan asteroid belts where Voyager often spawns. Use ship pings to confirm distance and travel only when fuel and shields are sufficient. If you find multiple leads, prioritize the one closest to safe zones to avoid hostile encounters. Communicate with nearby players to share coordinates and form a quick. When you reach Voyager, slow down and align your velocity vector to match its motion for a smooth approach. Use short thruster bursts to fine-tune position while conserving fuel and avoiding drift. Scan for docking ports or open airlocks and disable nearby turrets if possible. Keep your shields up and be ready to abort if NPCs engage. Once docked, secure the area and collect any mission items quickly before extraction.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.